In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the air draw check valve and screen assembly. The check valve and screen assembly can be detached from the air draw elbow by unthreading this compression nut and placing the check valve and screen assembly off to the side. If you need to replace the check valve, simultaneously hold the inner collet down flat against the red ring side of the check valve while pulling the gray tube straight out of the valve. Then remove the blue locking clip from the other end of the check valve and then simultaneously push the inner collet down flat against the check valve while pulling the other gray tube out of the valve. Then snap the blue locking clip back into place. If the screen needs to be replaced, simultaneously hold the inner collet down flat against the screen while pulling the gray tube straight out of the screen. To reassemble, push the gray tube into the end of the screen as far as it'll go, ensuring it goes beyond the internal O-ring. Then ensure the embossed arrow on the check valve is pointing away from the screen as shown here. Then remove the blue locking clip from the end of the check valve and push the other end of the gray tube and screen assembly as far into the valve as it will go, ensuring it is also beyond the internal O-ring, and then snap the blue locking clip back into place to secure the connection. Then push the remaining gray plastic piece into the other side of the check valve, ensuring it's beyond the internal O-ring as well. Then slide that end through the compression nut and thread it back into the elbow. The embossed arrow on the side of the check valve should be pointing towards the control valve. This is a one-way check valve that only allows the air to be drawn into the control valve during its air draw cycle.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.